Halo, kembali lagi bersama kami di Aik Film. Pada kesempatan kali ini, kami akan membahas sebuah film yang berjudul Kingsman, dari sequel pertama yang dirilis pada tahun 2015. Yang dimana film ini menceritakan sekelompok agen mata-mata yang sangat rahasia dari yang rahasia, di mana mereka dibentuk oleh bangsawan-bangsawan kaya dan pangkat mereka diambil dari kisah kerajaan Arthur. Ya, The Arthur, Galahad, Lancelot. Oke lah, langsung saja kita ke pembahasannya. Check it bro, check it dot. Apaan coba? Di awal film, kita diperlihatkan sebuah adegan aksi penyerangan dari Timur Tengah pada tahun 1997. Di dalam peristiwa tersebut, menewaskan salah satu anggota Kingsman, yaitu ayahnya Exi, yang tidak disebutkan namanya.
Lancelot,
Sir.
welcome to Kingsman.
Karena keberanian ayah Exi tersebut, agen Harry memberikan Exi kecil sebuah medali atas keberanian ayahnya tersebut.
Hello, Exy. You take care of this, Exy. And take care of your mum too.
17 tahun setelah peristiwa tersebut, kita diperlihatkan penyergapan seorang profesor di Argentina, di mana James sedang dalam misi penyelamatan terhadap Profesor Arnold.
Suppose asking to borrow a cup of sugar is a step too far. I'm here to take you home.
Ya, si James harus tewas oleh asisten Richmond Valentine.
Can you hold these? Thank you. Everything is clean.
My kind of welcome. Listen, I'm sorry due to our uninvited guest.
Karena kematian James, jadi Kingsman harus mengumpulkan dan menseleksi kandidat pilihan salah satu dari mereka yang akan menjadi Lancelot berikutnya untuk menggantikan James.
Arthur, Galahad, he will be sorely missed. Lancelot. I want each of you to propose a candidate no later than 9 p.m. GMT. Merlin.
Gentlemen, please.
Uganda, 2012. Chechnya, 2013, where they defected a kidnapping. He tracked them to this property in Argentina. This is his last transmission. So he executed a solo rescue mission which failed.
Exi yang sudah dewasa berbuat onar dengan mengambil mobil salah satu temannya dan Exi dikejar polisi.
Dean treats your mum so bad, why don't you leave it?
One of these days, I'm gonna smash his face in.
About it. You just get that lot to do you, and then pretend you knew nothing.
You think you can chat shit about us?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
You boys have outstayed your welcome.
I'm sorry about that, bruv.
Yeah, well fucking worth it, boys.
Hold on, boys.
Oh, that's my fucking car! The exes just stole my fucking car!
Bong, bong, bong.
Some people think I'm bonkers!
Bong, 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 bong.
Ya, mungkin karena bawa mobilnya kayak orang lagi kebelet, akhirnya Exi diinterogasi terkait kejadian tersebut. Lalu Exi teringat kalung yang pernah diberikan Harry.
Or you go down.
Want to exercise my right to a phone call?
It's up to you.
Customer complaints, how may I help you?
Station, and my mum said to call this number. I'm up shit creek. I'm in Holborn, please
Sorry,
help.
sir.
And
Wrong number.
Oxford's not broke.
And we hope that we have not lost you as a loyal customer.
Kemudian Harry menjemputnya sekaligus mengajaknya berbincang.
Exy, I gave you that medal.
Who are you?
My name is Harry Hart. Your father saved my life. Would you like a lift home?
Karena merasa bersalah, Harry merekrut Eggsy untuk mengikuti seleksi untuk menggantikan posisi Lancelot.
Your father was a brave man. And if it weren't for him, I missed something. The day your father died, courage, my mistake would have cost the lives of every man present.
Just go, please, because he's gonna...
Who was with you in that fucking pub? I don't know what you're on about. Who was it? I don't know what you're...
I have enough evidence on your active, Mr. Dean Anthony Baker. Be locked up for the rest of your life.
Fuck!
So I suggest you leave the boy alone. Deliver it to the appropriate authorities.
You fucking maggot. I love you, son!
Di mana orang-orang yang direkrut itu diuji terlebih dahulu di suatu kondisi di mana mental, fisik, otak, kecerdasan, dan ditempatkan di posisi di mana mereka harus menjaga privasi dan siap berkorban meskipun nyawa diri sendiri taruhannya.
Come with me. Your father had the same look on his face. The late. Come on.
Late again, sir. In you go.
Good luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Merlin. Will become the next Lancelot. Probably the most dangerous job interview in the world. You will write your name on that bag. In a moment, you will each collect a body bag, result in you and your next of kin being. Is that understood?
Hal itu dilakukan karena peranan seorang agen, Kingsman, harus siap dalam kondisi apapun.
Loose snorkel! Hang about, what the fuck is wrong?
Teamwork.
So much for classic army technique.
Is Kingsman, and who's Harry Hart?
Eggsy gagal dalam seleksi terakhir karena tidak tega harus menembak, mohon maaf ya kalau kasar, anjingnya.
Take it. Shoot the dog. At least the girl's got balls. I knew you couldn't make it. Merlin, send in Roxy, please.
Dan alhasil yang terpilih untuk menjadi Lancelot adalah si Roxy, ya, gadis cantik tersebut.
Lancelot, welcome to Kingsman.
Eggsy pergi dengan membawa mobil Arthur, dan pada saat di rumah Eggsy melihat wajah ibunya yang memar karena ayah tirinya.
I've been so worried about you.
This stops right now. Where is he?
I'm fine.
Be right back.
Dan Eggsy pun langsung pergi menantang ayah tirinya.
Right, Dean! What, you got nicked a fucking taxi now?
Can I have a word about my mum's black eye?
Come on in, you prick. Let's see what you got, eh?
Tetapi sayang sekali karena mobil yang dikendarai Eggsy sangat canggih, dan langsung mobil itu maju dan dikontrol sampai ke rumah Harry. Harry yang kecewa menceritakan kejadian 17 tahun lalu di mana dia sangat merasa bersalah terhadap ayahnya Eggsy.
Over a fucking dog. And then you humiliate me by stealing my boss's car.
You fucking freak. You shot your dog and had it stuffed.
No, I shot my dog and then I brought him home and continued to... It was a fucking blank. For him for the next 11 years until he died of pancreatitis.
What?
It was a blank, Eggsy.
Obrolan mereka berhenti karena ada informasi bahwa Richmond, Valentine akan melakukan uji coba di gereja, dan Harry langsung berangkat ke gereja tersebut untuk menyelidiki uji coba apa yang akan terjadi.
Harry, listen to this.
If our tests go well at the church tomorrow, we are good to go.
Merlin, get the plane ready.
The blood of the innocent spilled.
Can you see Valentine anywhere?
He is a just God. He is justly from the Almighty.
You sure we're out of range? What if the calculations are wrong?
You just have to trust me.
Excuse me.
Hey, what's your problem?
Oh, shit. He's leaving.
Ternyata uji coba tersebut adalah untuk mengetes terkait fungsi SIM card yang dapat memancarkan suatu gelombang dan membuat orang di sekitar beraksi ingin membunuh. Karena Harry seorang agen khusus, tidak sulit bagi dia untuk menghabisi orang di gereja tersebut.
Oh, you need to see this.
Lalu dia keluar, dan dia bertemu dengan Richmond dan anak buahnya yang sudah siap untuk menghabisinya.
What you do to me? I killed all those people. I had no control. Transmitted through your nasty free SIM cards, I assume.
Eggsy yang menyaksikan kejadian tersebut langsung pergi ke tempat jahit Kingsman untuk memberi Arthur dan akan proyek yang sedang dirancang Richmond Valentine.
Arthur, Harry's dead. Valentine can send his signal to any of them. How many people around the world have got those SIM cards?
We have Valentine's confession. Our work is complete. Come and sit down, boy.
Eggsy melihat luka yang berada di leher Arthur. Dan Eggsy langsung menyadari kalau Arthur telah membuat kesepakatan dengan Richmond Valentine.
To bend the rules a little. To Galahad.
Harry says you don't like to break rules, Arthur.
You're very good, Eggsy. Can you guess?
I thought that brandy tasted a bit shit. You click it, I die.
It's time to make your decision.
I'd rather be with Harry.
So be it.
Sleight of hand that we're light-fingered.
Yes, they're found a member.
Little fucking.
Eggsy mengambil chip yang dipasang di leher Arthur dan melihat waktu di mana pemancar gelombang SIM card massal akan segera terjadi. Dan Eggsy segera bergegas menemui agen Merlin dan Lancelot untuk memberitahu keterlibatan Arthur sekaligus memberitahu bahwa sebentar lagi pemancar SIM card akan segera diaktifkan.
We're gonna break the chain, stop the signals. Enough time for you to get me into Valentine's main.
Dibagilah tugas masing-masing, yaitu agen Lancelot bertugas menghancurkan salah satu satelit Richmond agar bisa memberi waktu. Merlin menyamar sebagai pilot dan Eggsy menyamar sebagai tamu untuk undangan bermodalkan HP milik Arthur sebagai tiket masuk.
Mr. King, welcome. If you don't object.
Of course.
Thank you.
Tujuan Eggsy masuk ke sana cuma untuk menancapkan flash drive agar Merlin dapat akses untuk masuk ke sistem Richmond.
Eggsy, I'm in. Get your ass back to me.
Nice and slow.
Valentine! I caught a fucking spy!
Oh, fuck. It's that young valet.
Di sisi lain, agen Lancelot sedang berusaha menghancurkan salah satu satelit agar memperlambat pengaktifkan pemancar SIM card-nya.
Lancelot, you're approaching your altitude limit. Grab to engage missile.
Got it!
Karena sistem tersebut menggunakan keamanan biometrik, mustahil Merlin bisa membatalkan dan mematikan perintah tersebut. Alhasil Eggsy harus masuk dan memastikan bahwa tangan Richmond tidak menyentuh monitor agar pemancar tersebut tidak aktif.
He's got biometric security. You can't get into Valentine's machine. You You're gonna have to get in there and make sure his hand never touches that desk.
Nah, adegan kayak gini nih yang ditunggu. Ya, adegan-adegan yang membuat jiwa kita bergejolak sampai-sampai lupa buat isi ulang kuota.
Merlin, I'm fucked.
For fuck's sake. As am I.
Merlin, remember those implants you said were of no use to us?
My turn to play, Valentine.
No, what the fuck is he? I can't stop this.
Yes, please.
Can't get me out.
What are you fucking crazy? I was stupid enough to implant one of those things in my own head.
London. Rio.
Everybody wants you.
You did it!
Howdy, I'd be proud of you, Eggsy.
There's no need for champagne, we got loads in the plane.
So, you gonna come in?
Merlin, this cell's locked. How do I get in?
26, 25. Oh my word.
Bagaimana? Seru nggak ceritanya? Dari segi aktor, acting, ya menurut saya juga seru sih. Nah, jika kalian merasa seru atau cukup menghibur, dan jika ingin menonton alur-alur cerita film yang dengan konsep yang sama, silakan tekan tombol like dan subscribe-nya ya Wak ya. Biar kalau nanti kami di iFilm jika mengupdate film akan mendapatkan notifikasi dari kami. Oke, saya akhiri. Oke, untuk akhir kata saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dari kami di iFilm.